Hi guys, how are you? How are we? It's me again, Steph, and we're doing another outfit check. Today, dadaan muna kami ng church, pero pag nag-church kami, maglalagay ako ng cover up, and then after ng church, didiretso kami sa flea market. This is a flea market organized by my high school friends. Kaya mag-a-attend kami. So this is the outfit for today. The top is from TikTok shop, and then shorts. This shorts is GU. Pero nabili ko lang 'to for only 65 pesos sa ukay. And then shoes, Converse. And then for the bag, I'm using this Gentlewoman. And then for the accessories, of course, hoop earrings from Cali. And then I have this ring. This is a gift from my sister. This is Pandora. And then for the watch, um, Lacoste. And then for the perfume, hindi ko masyado na-share yung perfume ko, pero mahilig ako sa perfumes. Um, This is Zara Nude Bouquet. Mahilig ako sa perfumes. Ayokong lumalabas ng hindi nagpa-perfume. Kahit grocery lang yan, palengke, nagpa-perfume pa rin ako. Or cologne. So, this is the outfit for today. Yung buhok ko, hindi ko na masyadong inayos. Kasi, for sure, ikaklam ko naman yan mamaya. Kasi sobrang mainit ngayon. It's the final fit for today. So, yun lang. Bye!